It was my first game in 7 days or so, so I felt a little sloppy in the first period, but we came out strong, and it gave me an opportunity to get in the game a bit. And after the first period, I kind of got my legs and my mind into it, and I felt it was a strong second period, and it was a good game all around. Fun to be a part of. The building was full, and happy we got the teddy bears thrown. Yeah, I felt like I was a little restricted in my ability to use my glove, but you got to sell it in this league. There's no goal review, so you got to sell it, and I did my best there, but he didn't. The ref didn't agree, and that's the way it is. So I had to just respond, and I'm happy we got the win.
Yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, it was nice to obviously be back with the guys. They're on the road for about a week, so missed them. So we trained pretty hard when they were gone, and it was nice to get back on the ice. Yeah, I've actually been pretty lucky with teddy bear toss goals. I think I have two or three now. So it's I don't know, kind of always fun to get that goal and watch the teddy bears come out. But there's a lot tonight, so it's kudos to the fans here in San Antonio, and especially this time around the holidays to get those people some teddy bears.